For homeowners out there with Polarises, which are basically the robots that run at the bottom of the pool and collect the debris, if it's not moving around, the first thing I would check is what's called a finger screen. If you go to the wall of the pool where the cleaner hooks up, there's a little safety screen in there that catches debris so it doesn't go in line. If you take your wall fitting off, and this should be a screen, if it's full of debris, clean that. That is not letting water flow to your cleaner, and that's why it's not working properly. That's one of the first things I check if a Polaris isn't working, is the finger screen. Second, we might check the wheels, the floats. The floats might not be aligned properly or full of water weighing it down.